Today we have the 2021 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just over 31,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access emergency assistance, Bluetooth and mobile apps, Full Pass Connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side.